All right, let's talk about a recipe that could seriously change your morning routine, and it only takes 5 minutes. We're diving into a super quick, delicious, and incredibly nutritious power smoothie today, and we're going to break down exactly what makes it so special.
You know that feeling, right? The alarm goes off, your day is already jam-packed, and you just need something healthy and fast that won't weigh you down. It's so tempting to just grab something unhealthy on the go, but what if you could whip up something amazing in just 5 minutes?
Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. Oh, great, another smoothie recipe. But seriously, stick with me here, because this one has a couple of secret ingredients that take it from just a regular drink to something truly satisfying and, unique.
And here it is, the 5-minute power smoothie. It's designed to be this perfect blend of creamy, tangy, and absolutely packed with nutrients. For those crazy, hectic mornings, this thing is a total game changer.
So what's the actual secret behind its power? Well, let's get introduced to the ingredients that really make this smoothie shine.
So the real star of the show here is an ingredient you might not have heard of, Baobab Powder. If you've never tried it, you are in for such a treat. It has this incredible tangy, almost sherbet-like flavor. And it's not just about the taste, not at all. It's a nutritional powerhouse, just loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and a massive hit of vitamin C.
But the Baobab isn't flying solo here. It's got a fantastic supporting cast. A little bit of turmeric for this nice, earthy warmth, some fresh ginger for that spicy, invigorating kick, oats to add fiber and make it extra creamy, and then this rich coconut yogurt that acts as the perfect, delicious base for everything.
And here is the full lineup for one serving. It's all really straightforward stuff. You've got your coconut yogurt, a splash of whatever milk you like, the turmeric, ginger, that optional but highly recommended baobab powder, a ripe banana for some natural sweetness, a little touch of honey, some oats, and a squeeze of lemon juice to just brighten everything up. And for all of you who love the details, here's the nutritional breakdown. You're getting this fantastic balance of healthy fats and carbs for that morning energy, plus a pretty solid dose of protein and fiber that's going to keep you feeling full and satisfied right up until lunchtime.
Okay, so how does it all come together? Well, the best part is just how unbelievably simple it is. I mean, we are talking about going from a pile of ingredients to a finished smoothie in just a couple of minutes.
It's honestly as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you toss your liquids and powders into the blender. Next, you just tip in everything else, the banana, the honey, oats, and lemon juice. And finally, you just blitz it all until it's perfectly smooth. And hey, if you like it extra cold, throw in a couple of ice cubes. That's literally it. Now, the basic recipe is fantastic all on its own, but you can definitely customize it. So let's check out a couple of pro tips to make this smoothie fit your routine even better.
So, should you drink it right away? Of course, that's always going to be the freshest and healthiest way to go. But let's be realistic, sometimes you have to prep ahead. And making this the night before is, and I quote, a far better choice than a croissant. Just store it in a sealed jar in the fridge. The flavors might shift a little bit, but it's still going to be delicious. Oh, and if you're on a vegan diet, the fix for this is incredibly simple. You just swap out that 1 teaspoon of honey for a little bit of maple syrup or some agave nectar, and boom, you're good to go. Super easy. So let's wrap this all up. What do we have? We have a delicious, super nutritious, and incredibly fast breakfast that you can totally adapt to your schedule and your dietary needs. It really is the perfect morning go-to.
And that's the number that's at the core of it all, 5. That is all it takes. Just 5 minutes to completely upgrade your breakfast, fuel your body, and honestly just set a really positive tone for the rest of your day.
So the only question that's left is, how are you going to personalize it? You know, maybe throw in a handful of spinach for a green boost or some flax seeds for extra omega-3s. This recipe is the perfect canvas, so give it a try and see how you can make it uniquely yours.